Hi students, welcome to my channel. Now I am discussing the problems related to direction cosines and direction ratios. See the first problem. If theta is an angle given by cos theta equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma divided by sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma, where alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by a line with the axis OX, OY, OZ respectively, then the value of theta is. First, we have to discuss about what is direction cosines. Direction cosines, if a ray makes an angle alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis, gamma with z-axis, then their cosine angles are called direction cosines. So direction cosines of a line means if a line or a ray makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with x, y, z respective axis, and their cosine angles are called direction cosines. So direction cosines usually denoted by L, M, N, and which are denoted by L, M, N, which is equal to cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. The relation between the direction cosines is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. Now, first given condition cos theta is equal to cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma divided by sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. Whenever alpha, beta, gamma are the angles made by the line with OX, OY, OZ respectively, then their cosine angles. We know that, or we have standard results from direction cosines. L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1, where element are called direction cosines, which are denoted by cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Therefore, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. But in denominator, if you observe in this question, in terms of sign is there. Wherever cos square alpha, sin square beta, cos square gamma is there, in terms of sign you have to write 1 minus sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square beta plus 1 minus sin square alpha, sin square gamma is equal to 1. So here 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3, minus of sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma we can take that side. So 3 here, 1 we are taking this side. Ultimately we are going to get sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma is equal to 2. So after going of these values, substitute in this, cos theta is equal to, this value is 1, this value is 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, for which angle it will comes? For pi by 3. So comparing the angles, theta is equal to pi by 3. So which is there in the first option. Next question. If A equal to 4, 3, 1 and B equal to minus 2, 1, minus 2, then the angle made by the line AB with OZ, where O equal to 0, 0, is they're asking. So AB line is given, that line making an angle with OZ, that means third one. See, O origin, x axis, y axis, z axis. This is some AB line. This AB line makes an angle gamma with z axis. You have to imagine it is not like this, just this z axis will be like this. So the angle made with AB with z axis is gamma. According to the definitions of direction cosines, cos alpha is the angle made with x axis, cos beta is angle made with y axis, cos gamma is angle made with the z axis. First, before going to calculate that cos gamma, we need to calculate direction ratios and direction cosines of the line segment AB. First, AB direction ratios. DRs of AB how to do means AB means OB minus OA. So minus 2 minus 4, comma 1 minus 3, minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 6, minus 2, minus 3. So we can cancel all minus also. Why? Because direction cosines, two sets of direction cosines are there in the space, in the three-dimensional geometry. If L, M, N are the direction cosines of one set, another direction cosine set is minus L, minus M, minus N. Here it is in the form of minus L, minus M, minus N. So another set of direction cosines you can write as 6, 2, 3. So these are the direction ratios. Direction cosines, how to calculate? Direction ratios, whenever it is A, B, C, direction cosines DRs. Direction cosines of AB we can calculate as A by square root of A square plus B square plus C square, B by square root of A square plus B square plus C square, C by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So ABC values we have already. 6 by square root of 36 plus 4 plus 9, 2 divided by square root of 36 plus 4 plus 9, 3 divided by square root of 36 plus 4 plus 9, which is equal to 6 by 7. 36 plus 4, 40, 40 plus 9, 49, root 49 is 7. So 2 by 7, 3 by 7, which are denoted by L, M, N direction cosines, which is comparing with cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. Now the question is, this line AB makes an angle with z axis is gamma, already we noted here. So cos gamma is equal to what here? Now by comparing these two, cos gamma is equal to 3 by 7. So gamma is equal to cos inverse of 3 by 7. You observe that options, cos inverse of 3 by 7, there is no option at all. 3 by 7 is there, but they are not asking cos alpha, cos gamma value. They are asking gamma value, they are asking. So gamma is cos inverse of 3 by 7. Cos inverse of 3 by 7, it is not there in the options. We will go for either sine inverse or tan inverse or cos inverse of some other value. So here cos gamma is equal to 3 by 7 by using right angle triangle property here, gamma value, and 3 by 7 cos definition is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So here the value is x square plus 9 is equal to 49, x square is equal to 40, x is equal to root 40. This value is root 40. From this I am calculating 7 and root 40 we are observing, and 3 and root 40 we are observing in the second option. So from this you can calculate tan gamma. Tan gamma is equal to, what is the definition of tan? Opposite by adjacent side. So root 40 divided by 3. So gamma is equal to tan inverse of root 40 divided by 3. So in place of gamma we can write as, it is in terms of cos inverse, in terms of tan inverse. Tan inverse of root 40 divided by 3, which is there in the second option. Both answers are correct, but exact answer is tan inverse of root 40 by 3, which is there in the second option. We will discuss in the next question. Next question. If theta is the angle between the two lines whose direction ratios, dr means direction ratios, are 1, minus 2, 1 and 4, 3, 2, then secant of t by theta by 2 plus cosecant of theta by 2 equal to, these are the options. So this is the first line and this is the second line. This line direction ratios are 1, minus 2, 1, which are denoted by A1, B1, C1. Another line direction ratios are 4, 3, 2, which is denoted by A2, B2, C2. The angle between these two lines is theta, we have to assume that. Therefore, we have formula cos theta is equal to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Substitute the respective values. 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3 1 into 2 by square root of 1 square plus 2 minus 2 square plus 1 square, that means 1 plus 4 plus 4 1 4 square 16 plus 9 plus 4 6 minus 6 0 0 by anything is 0. Cos theta when it will be equal to 0, which is equal to cos 90. So that implies theta equal to 90 degrees. Now come to the question. Now the question is secant of theta by 2 plus cosecant of theta by 2. In place of theta 90 substitute, it will becomes secant 90 by 2 45 plus cosecant 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, so secant reciprocal of cos, it will become 1 by root 2, it will become as root 2 plus cosecant 45 1 by sin 45, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 is root 2, therefore root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2, therefore the answer is 2 root 2, which is there in the third option. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do subscribe and share to any other peoples, and is there any doubt, please write to my inbox and I will respond in proper time.